Hello and welcome to Research Circle. The topic for today's discussion is New Colleges Graduates Guide to Finding Work During COVID 19. Now, we all know this pandemic is increasing day by day and it's stretching too long. So, there are millions of unemployed and just graduated students who are looking for the good job opportunities. So pursuing a career at this moment is somehow a challenge. So in this challenging time, we are come up with some handy job opportunities or job sectors where you can approach for the job of your first career. So before we move toward that part, we must think about this one. Now get a control of students debt before it's a problem. Now many of you have took a education loan for completing your degree or your post graduation. So before we go to any job and start earning, think about the students loan or debt you have taken, because this will be a huge problem if you haven't sort it now. So how to deal with that, how to overcome this student debt problem? There are some tips like consolidation. This is the good source where you can find the any government schemes or any state government or national government's scheme where you can find some consolidation for your students loan. The next one is settlement. If you have some amount with you or if you have some savings, try to settle it down, because as is it will get increased, the settlement will be also an issue. So that's why the suggestion here is settle it down if you can. The third one is refinancing. Now many private firms are also providing the refinance, as students can't pay back the debt at that time. So there is a refinancing that they will give you some amount for repaying your loan, and after some time you can repay that loan also. So this is also a good choice to do. Then the last one is, and I suppose this is the best one, job employment loan. Now as soon as you get some job, try to find there a loan, so that by taking that loan you will refund your student's loan, and then with your job salary you can repay your job or employment loan. This is also a good example. Now we can start how to find the jobs in this pandemic situation. First, start researching the market job or job market. Now how to research that job market? Now you can try, or you must target more than one sector. Now here comes the more than one sector. That means if you are belongs to IT sector, this must be your thought that I must get a job in IT sector only. But this should not be your approach as a fresher or as a trainee. You can explore too many sectors, at least two or three sectors. So or if you don't want to do that, you can try for subfields of broader discipline. Like if you are the students of medical, or if you are the students of health sector, you can find the jobs in para pharmacy sectors, in medical sectors, medicine sectors likewise. The next one, these are the very vast sectors where you can get the job easily: health, business and education sector. Education is also now a good day nowadays a good sector. Like if you want to be online tutor, you can do that. This is the best job opportunities in this pandemic situation. Okay, now the next thing is you must get a website. Now here comes the website. Now these days only a single black and white paper resume is not enough. Now you cannot carry physical resume to from one place to another place, because almost all the things are shut down now. So in this situation, the best thing you can do a digital visiting card. What is digital visiting card and how it help you? I recommend you please visit to rcacademic.com. This is the initiative of Research Circle, which we are going to launch very soon. We almost launch it, but there will be a separate video where you will get the demonstration of how to make that visiting card. So with that visiting card, you can create your own website and you can share it to the various HRs, and they will surely impress by that one. The next one is find temporary work. Now don't wait for the calls. As soon as you will post your website or you will post your resume to someone, don't wait for their calls, because it may take a long time. They will call you very long time. So you don't have to wait and just do nothing for. You can do part time, like doing a job in a delivery boy, like a startups, like in anything. You can do a part time job as well, but don't waste your time just for waiting the calls. So no work is small, as I said. You can be a coffee boy, you can be a waiter, whatever you can. The last one comes here: start connecting with the networks. Now we all are connected with the networks like WhatsApp, Instagrams, Facebook, Twitter, etc. So we don't have to limit yourself with this social media only. If you want to search a job, you have to switch some other networks as well, like LinkedIn. This is also a good way where you can post your resume and many HRs will approach to you. So switch to that social media networks where you will get a benefit with respect to your career. So these are some handy techniques or the tips we can say you can use in this pandemic situation if you are just graduated. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe and like the channel. Thank you so much.